Hello, Jodi here from Joli Natural Skincare, and today I wanted to show you how to apply skin serum. Now, it turns out that this is probably of all the questions I get with regards to products, this is the question I get asked the most, how to apply skin serum. So here's what I like to do, although I should just say that the instructions say apply a few drops to fingertips and massage onto face, hands and neck. So you get your little trusty bottle, one drop, and you can go like that with the drops. Spread it between, like one drop for all of your face. And then you massage in. And it smells divine, so good. So I like to do a figure 8 on my forehead. And I'll try to explain what I'm doing with regards to this. So when I go up, I sort of apply a little bit of pressure, but when I come down, I lift my fingers off my face so I am not pushing my face down, if you understand what I mean. So it's always in a upwards or straight across motion, because you don't want to be stretching and pushing your skin. It's always about avoiding doing that. And so even now I can still feel it, it feels really nice. Then on the cheeks, the nose, and again what I'm doing with my nose, even though it looks like I'm rubbing backwards and forwards, I'm going up with pressure and down with none, up with pressure, down with none, and I do the same with my neck. Up with pressure, down with none, so I'm not pushing the skin down, trying to defy gravity as much as possible. So that's how you apply skin serum. So sometimes there, when you do that, you get that, I don't like that. The other thing that I do, if I'm really, dehydrated and my skin's really needing a good drink, I'll do a drop, put it there, a drop, put it there, a drop, put it there, a drop, put it there. So that's the most that I ever do. Sometimes I'll do one drop and then go like that, another drop and do that. It just depends on how much you're feeling that your skin needs. So certain days you'll require more, other days you'll require less. Now, when to apply? Before bed is a good time to apply. So after you've cleaned your face and your skin's all super fresh and everything, under your moisturiser, I prefer right under the moisturiser, and then apply the moisturiser. Say in the morning you might put the skin serum on and then the moisturiser. This is if you feel that you need it. The whole point of skin serum is if your skin is like mine at the moment. I've got some splodges, some leftover blemishes that I want to heal. So skin serum is healing. It's rejuvenating, it's anti-wrinkle, and it's very enriching and nourishing. So it depends on how dry, flaky, and whatever other conditions that your skin is having at that moment. So yeah, I can still feel it, it's so nice. So some people who have pimples will use it. It doesn't, even though it's oils, many luxurious and beautiful oils blended with essential oils. Even though it's an oil, it's not oily for oily skin, although not everybody with pimples or acne will be able to use it. It just depends on what your skin type is and what condition it's in. So for me, for example, I have oily skin. I don't have acne per se, but I do have breakouts. So I will use it whenever I'm having a really bad breakout, especially in my previous video where I talk about those skin conditions that I get with the skin is flaky. I will definitely apply serum then, because I want to heal the wounds and make them gone quicker. So it just depends. But as usual, of course, if you have any questions, let me know. And as usual, thank you very much for watching.